Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to MarineMax Cumming in the beautiful Lake Lanier. I'm John Powell, and today we're going to be taking you on a walkthrough of our beautiful 2019 Crest I 220 C4 fishing pontoon. As we start up here in the bow, this one's configured with the 4 fishing seats, 2 in the bow and 2 in the stern. This boat can also be had with just 2 in the stern if you wanted extra couches up here. This one, however, is set up as a true fishing and family boat. Up here in the bow, we've got two fishing chairs, each with their own rod holder and cup holder, of course, because you need your beverage when you're out there fishing. Gets thirsty work. And the front door, you notice, is only half height, but that's a provision so that you can mount a trolling motor up here. There's a power connection already set up to do so, and we've put many of them on here, and it kind of sits kitty corner through here. Actually works out real well, and you can still use the front door. Notice there's speakers in each corner. There's going to be more going back aft. And then as we get into the heart of the boat, notice we've got 2 very long couches. Wonderful for taking the family with if it's not a fishing day. If you just want to lounge and sit in the sun, you can move these movable cup holders anywhere. You can just sit back, keep your head in the shade, relax or enjoy the sunshine. But it is still a fishing pontoon and has the nice feature of having 2 live wells on board. I'm going to show you one of them right here. Up underneath this front cushion, you've got a live well with standpipe, poles for the cover, and of course a little trash can and plenty of storage underneath. On the other side, this whole one is just storage. I don't know if she can see it all that well with the camera, but there's your boat cover. All of this is storage. And you have dry storage in the backrest. Just like on our higher end Crest, if you notice the deck, this is a polyvinyl that was originally created by a garage flooring company. And it is so tough that outside of deliberate destruction, nothing you can do is going to hurt it. Feel free to bring the dogs, gut the fish, drop your knives, whatever you want to do. You really can't hurt this deck short of setting out to do so on purpose. The upholstery is also extremely tough. Again, bring the puppies, let them get all over it. It's soft but thick, and it's built with a biocide as well to be highly resistant to ever getting moldy. In fact, even though Crest claims it's not mold proof, in the many years I've been doing this and the years of Crest boats that I've seen, I've never seen a moldy Crest. As we move a little bit further aft, here is your second live well. Once I open it correctly, it opens to the side here. Another standpipe. Again, more storage in the corner. And for the fishermen, these chairs of course will pivot in any direction that you want, but you've got rod storage. You can store 4 rods there. 2 small tackle boxes are in here, and more drink holders. And of course your handy dandy, how big is my fish scale? You know, we won't tell if you don't. Now, you might think, oh, this is a 2-tune boat. It's going to have a little motor on it. That's not how we do things here at MarineMax. This is the Mercury 115 horsepower command thrust engine. This will push this boat along at 32 to 35 miles an hour. You can actually put a tow bar on this boat, and you could use it for your skier or hook your tuber to the tunes and pull a tuber. This is an all sport, do everything you want to do out on the water boat. Moving up to the helm, you've got everything here that the driver's going to need. You've got your throttle with trim. This boat happens to have the Lowrance fish finder, GPS, stereo horn and accessory switches, RPMs, fuel, bolt meter, fusion stereo system, and there's lights in the speakers as well. A little bit of extra bling. And folks, one of the hallmarks of Crest quality, because you will not find a pontoon out there that is built better than a Crest is, this is a fiberglass helm. It's included in the factory warranty of everything deck and below. You have a lifetime warranty on. It's not going to crack, it's not going to dry out, it's going to stay just like it is for essentially forever. You've got stainless steel hardware everywhere that it needs to be, including on little things like your doors inside and out. When Crest built a pontoon boat, they built it to last. Now there's an awful lot that you can't see that is down below us. For example, both of the tunes on here and also on the tri-tune models, the pontoons are 4-chambered, and all 4 chambers are fully sealed. So unless you can poke 8 strategic holes in this thing, you have no chance of ever sinking it. You can run it into anything, and if you do manage to puncture something, you're still going home, and it's going to be safe for you. You've also got the thickest end caps, the thickest metal, the longest nose cones. You've got lifting strakes and splash guards all down below. This boat rides fast, it rides smooth, and it will turn well on a dime. Of course, the only way I can really prove that to you is if you come out and take her for a ride and see for yourself in person. This is not yesterday's pontoon boat. This is a fully modern boat that will last you for years and years to come, and you'll enjoy it with your whole family. Well, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this brief tour of our 2019 Crest I 220 C4. Again, I'm John Powell. We're out here at MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia, and I hope you'll come out and have a look at it. Thank you very much.